Deciding to take a career break is a huge decision, and it's one we don't talk about nearly enough, which can leave you feeling like you have to figure it out all alone. But you don't. In today's video, I'm going to share insights I wish I would have known before stepping away from my career, so you can make your decision with confidence and clarity. So let's get started. Insight number one is to identify your specific reasons for taking a career break. Now, on the surface, you may think, well, yeah, but the reason I'm taking it is to stay home with my kiddo, the same as so many other people. Dig a little deeper and figure out your specific reasons. For example, when I stayed at home with my kiddo, it wasn't because it was something I had always dreamed about doing, or I could never see myself working while my kiddo was at home. No, in fact, I never saw myself taking a career break. But the circumstances that were in at the time led to that decision. Financially, it just made sense. And I couldn't see trading time during the day to then miss out on my kiddo's first few years. That is going to look different than somebody who's like, I have always wanted to be a stay-at-home mom. So on the surface, it might look the same, but your specific reasons are most likely going to be different. And when you're able to identify those reasons, I highly suggest writing those down. It can be old-fashioned pen and paper, or to type it up somewhere like in a Google Doc or on your phone. Because if you do decide to take a career break, there are going to be times when you're like, why did I make this decision? And if you have those specific reasons to refer back to, you can be like, yeah, this was worth it. I made the right decision. And if you have any questions about the career break journey, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Insight number two is to seek out people who are either on a career break or who have taken one. When you are making this big of a life-changing decision, it can feel as though, oh my gosh, I'm the only one who has to figure this out. But trust me, millions of people have gone before you and millions of people are going to go after you. And when you're able to find people that have experienced a career break, you're able to sit down, ask them questions, pick their brains, get insights, get advice, and maybe get clarity that you didn't even realize that you needed. Insight number three is to update your resume. You're like, yeah, but I haven't even decided if I want to take a career break. Well, there's really no downside here. If you update your resume and you don't leave, well, then you just have an updated resume, and that's great. But if you do decide to take a step back, your future self is gonna thank you because it is a lot easier to update your resume while you're currently working than months or even years into the future. And also make sure to forward yourself any performance evaluations, emails that pertain to projects that you worked on, awards, achievements, all of it forwarded to your personal email so you have those handy when you are looking to return to the workforce and you can easily pull from that information. And insight number four is to run the numbers. Now, it is one thing to think in the abstract. You're like, yeah, we can totally make this work. It's another to see concrete numbers. When you do this, you're going to have a firm grasp on exactly what the financial landscape might look like in the coming months and or even years. And it also offers you the opportunity to say, okay, we can maybe scale back here, or we can change this up a bit. And having these conversations now is gonna be a lot easier than when you are in the thick of it in your career break. So there you go, 4 insights to think about before you take a career break. Now, if you're like, okay, I'm ready to do this, what do I think about when I do take a career break? You're gonna wanna make sure to check out my video here where I talk about what you need to think about at the beginning of your career break journey.